I'm Robert Massey, and I'm here from the Royal Astronomical Society, which is one of the biggest astronomical organisations in the world, and we look after the interests of astronomers, not just in the UK, but across the world. What I'm going to do today is give you a few pointers to get you started in astronomy, which I think is one of the most incredibly interesting subjects there is. Neptune is now officially the furthest planet from the Sun. It really is a vast distance away, about 30 times away, as far away from the Sun as the Earth is. That makes it rather cold as well, as you can well imagine. Now, this is a planet that was discovered through mathematics. Astronomers were watching Uranus go around the Sun, and they noticed that sometimes it was being dragged back in its orbit and sometimes it was being pulled ahead, and they realised that there was an object further out that was affecting the way it moved. And two mathematicians, John Couch-Adams in England and Urbain Le Verrier in France, both predicted where Neptune would be. And in the end, it was the Berlin Observatory that first spotted the planet, and the discovery was first credited to the French, which was a bit of a scandal, although these days we would probably give both scientists their due share. Now, Neptune, as it happens, had also been seen by Galileo right back in the beginning of the 17th century, but he didn't realise it was a planet, so he can't take the credit for its discovery. It's only once been visited by a space probe, that was Voyager 2, right back in 1989. And Voyager 2 found an exotic world. Although it's so far away from the Sun, and you would imagine, therefore, rather inactive, it isn't like that at all. It actually has winds in its atmosphere of more than 2,000 kilometres an hour. So, despite being at a huge distance away, things don't calm down when you get that far out. You've still got planets like Neptune, and there's a lot going on there. It's every reason to want to study it again in the future, just to understand what the conditions are like as we get towards the edge of the solar system.